Vicki Montegudo, owner and designated broker at Century 21 Tri-Cities, and also the president for the Pasco Vocational Program. Of all the community events that we are part of, this one is really true to my heart. It got started in 1999. It originated as the Pasco Bulldog House. It's now morphed into the Pasco Vocational Program, and the reason being is we have students for both Pasco High and Chihuahua High that work on the house. We start in September and they have all the way through May to complete the project. We're starting now with, we just got through excavation, foundation, and now we're actually using a product called OptiFrame to frame the house. We've got half of the students out here right now. We've got the other half coming out this afternoon, and it's amazing talking to the students that they are able to take what they learn in the formal classroom and take it into practical application of future career choice. So very proud to be a part of the Pasco Vocational Program.